AI risk assessment is quickly becoming one of the most important skills for IT and GRC professionals in 2026. With the EU AI Act enforcement ramping up and organizations referencing the NIST AI RMF in contracts everywhere, teams are now expected to properly identify, score, and document risks from AI systems, not just traditional cybersecurity risks. Today, I'm walking you through a complete, practical AI risk assessment process you can actually use at work right now. I'll show you how to inventory your AI use cases, classify their risk level using the EU AI Act categories, score them using NIST AI RMF principles, document meaningful mitigations, and create a simple one-page summary report that leadership and auditors actually want to see. You'll also get the exact free AI risk assessment template I'm using in this video, so you can duplicate it and start applying this immediately. This is the kind of deliverable that makes you look competent in meetings and strengthens your GRC portfolio. Welcome to Applied IT GRC, the channel for practical templates and hands-on tutorials that help IT teams stay ahead of emerging risks. Let's do a real AI risk assessment. Step 1. Inventory your AI use cases. Why this step matters more than most people think. Many teams skip straight to scoring and miss critical systems. Start by creating a simple inventory. Go department by department and ask, what AI tools are we using? Is it built in-house, third-party SaaS, or open source? What data does it process? Realistic 2026 examples you'll likely find. Internal code assistance, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, or custom LLMs. Customer service chatbots and sentiment analysis tools. Automated hiring or resume screening systems. Predictive maintenance or demand forecasting models. Fraud detection engines. Meeting summarizers and email drafting tools. For each use case, document at minimum. System name and owner. Data types involved: PII, financial, health, intellectual property. Deployment method. Number of users. Pro tip: include shadow AI. Tools employees are using that aren't officially approved. These often carry the highest risk. Step 2. Classify the risk level using the EU AI Act. This gives you a quick, standardized way to bucket each use case. 4 categories to use. Unacceptable risk. Social scoring systems, real-time biometric identification in public spaces for law enforcement, generally banned. High risk. Hiring and promotion tools, credit scoring, medical diagnostic aids, AI used in critical infrastructure, or systems that make decisions with significant legal or financial impact. Limited risk. Chatbots, deepfake generators, emotion recognition. Transparency and disclosure required. Minimal risk. Most internal productivity tools like meeting summarizers or simple recommendation engines. In practice, roughly 60 to 70% of enterprise AI tools fall into high risk or limited risk in 2026. Be honest in your classification. Auditors and regulators are getting better at spotting downplaying. Step 3. Score the risks using NIST AI RMF principles. Now we get quantitative. For each AI use case, assess likelihood of harm occurring, scale 1 to 5. Potential impact if harm does occur, scale 1 to 5. Then look at the specific risk categories from the NIST AI RMF. Bias and fairness issues. Hallucinations or inaccurate outputs. Data poisoning or adversarial attacks. Security vulnerabilities, prompt injection, model extraction. Privacy leaks or memorization of sensitive data. Lack of explainability or transparency. Third-party/supply chain risks. Calculate a base risk score equals likelihood times impact, maximum 25. Add a column for key risk drivers so you can see at a glance why something scored high. Common mistake: scoring everything as low because our vendor says it's safe. Always validate. Step 4. Document mitigations and controls. This is where most assessments fall short. They identify risks but don't show how to reduce them. For every risk above a certain threshold, list concrete, actionable controls such as require human review or approval before high-impact decisions. Implement input and output filtering/guardrails. Run regular bias testing on representative datasets. Enable comprehensive logging of all model inputs and outputs. Schedule periodic model validation and retraining. Add contractual rights to audit the third-party model provider. Use retrieval augmented generation, RAG, to ground outputs in verified data. Step 5. Create a one-page executive summary. Leadership doesn't want to read 20 pages. Build a clean dashboard that shows total AI use cases inventoried. Breakdown by risk level, pie chart or simple counts. Number of high-risk systems requiring immediate attention. Top 3 recommended actions with owners and deadlines. Overall risk posture: improving, stable, worsening. This summary becomes your monthly or quarterly AI risk report. Download the free AI risk assessment template from the starter kit link in the description. It includes ready-to-use inventory sheet, EU AI Act classification table, NIST-based scoring calculator with formulas, mitigation tracker, one-page executive summary dashboard. If this practical walkthrough helped you feel more confident starting or improving your organization's AI risk assessment process, hit like, subscribe, and follow at Applied IT GRC on X for daily tips. Next video Thursday: Continuous Controls Monitoring. Thanks for watching. Open the template now, pick just one AI use case in your environment, and run it through the full process. Let me know in the comments which use case you evaluated and what risk score it received. See you in the next one.